What are the challenges in task initiation and how do we get started? Task initiation refers to the ability to immediately start the designed task. The task could be any kind of activity, for example, getting ready in the morning, to shower, to cleaning the house, and to make breakfast. Task initiation is a beneficial skill for people to attain because the skill helps them to perceive a better time management, planning strategies, excellent task initiate habits, and stress reduction. According to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which demonstrate that people are motivated to start a task in order to achieve their needs or goals. The basic need is the first level that potentially motivate people to initiate with a task, and as well as drive them to reach another level. However, Alderfer EGR model provide different perception about why people initiate with tasks. Alderfer demonstrate that motivation is the construction that is focused on the understanding of factors that contribute to individual human behavior. Motivation approaches influence the intrinsic factor that cause a person to take a specific action. What are the challenges in task initiation? Self-efficacy. People with low self-efficacy are likely to perceive tasks as difficult accountability. When people view tasks as difficult, this can decrease their self-confidence to start a task because they are worried about their ability to perform the task, as well as the result of the task. Procrastination. People with mental health are likely to find it hard to start the task. They feel anxious and stressed, which make them delay the task until the last minute. People are also distracted by more fun and pleasant activity, as they most likely find the task as annoying and stressful for them. How to get started? Planning has been known as the effective skill in assisting people in task initiation. There are two types of plannings. First, action planning. Action planning helps people specify where, when, and how a task will be implemented, which help them to plan the specific action they will take to begin the task. For example, where will you go for the trip? To Japan. When are you going for the trip? On the Christmas. And how do you go on the trip? By plan. Second, coping planning is the kind of plan that focuses on the self-regulation strategy that mentally between anticipated risk situation and suitable coping responses. For example, I go to buy, but I feel so tired, perhaps I should buy a little bit slower. Next is time management. Time management is the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities. A proficient time management skill can help people to critically divide and prioritize their tasks into numerous orders, which assists them to attain greater sense of perception, judgment that motivate them to start the task. Take-home messages. It is okay to procrastinate as long as you have a clear goal about the future. It is okay to feel scared or anxious to start the task, but mistake is an excellent teacher to success. For more information, please check out my wikiverisity page in the link below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.